Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and ban or kick users on your from your Discord server. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So all you need to do first is make sure that you're logged in into your account, and then you're already in your server, right? Once you've done that, you can go ahead and do it from multiple places. So for example, if there are any public text that you want to go ahead and block them from, you can simply go ahead and click on their profile, and then you can simply click this triple dot icon, and then you can click on the kick icon, or you could just directly right click, and then there's going to be a kick option right over here, or ban option as well. As I'm not the mod of this server, it's not showing on my screen. However, it's going to simply go ahead and show there as soon as you just right click, or you could also go to the server's member settings and then kick them from there. So just like that, just show member list, and then you can kick them like that. All right, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.